Hi dolls, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a review on the Voss Pro Eyeshadows Taupe Notch. I wanted a different one, but they were sold out. I had it in my cart. I wanted it, but it was sold out. So it's $45 and you get 20 shades in this thing. And it looks, let me see if I can cover this thing up. The mirror, it comes with a nice mirror, and these are the shades that you get. They're all in the brown tone family, very neutral, especially for me. And there's glitter in here, shimmer shades as well. Let me swatch a few of these things for you guys. I bought this a stinking pen on my area. I bought this a little while ago, and I've been wanting to play with it ever since I got it. We'll do another. Ever since I hauled it for you guys on my channel, and these are just like kind of like a bit of a variety. This one's high. This one's extra. This one, the shimmer is number 1, and this one right here is top notch. They're beautiful colors. I was so surprised when I picked it up because it's like I want it, but I don't know if I really want another thing with browns in them. But I didn't want the other one that they had. I did not want the other palettes that they had. The other one was just too many colors in there that I personally would not use in them. So I'm like, I'll just pick this up. I'll try it out. And if I really like it, then when the other one comes back in stock, I will purchase it. So I did the look that I'm wearing today. I tested it out. I'm playing with it. And I have to say, like, there's no shimmer in this at all. I just did a complete matte, simple look for me. I feel like this is more like an everyday jeans, like my distressed jeans and a t-shirt and some sneakers or something, and just go out and do what I gotta do. So for me, I gotta say, I will be picking up the other ones. I really want to see if the pigmentation and everything's the same. I mean, these swatches are beautiful. I do love them. I do find that they're pretty comparable. I mean, you get 20 shades for $48. Did I say $48? I can't remember what I said. Having one of those days. $45. So 20 shades for $45, which I know it seemed kind of be a lot, but I mean, you're getting 20 shades. And the only reason why I never purchased it sooner was because I didn't want to pay a shipping fee through the company. And one day I was online for Sephora, and Sephora carries Voss now. They do have a few of their products. They have 5, 6, 7 of her shadows. There's the newest one that looks like it says it's new is a rainbow one, and then they have another one that's hashtag. So I mean, they're gradually pulling companies in into Sephora online and stuff to give you guys an opportunity for us to try it. And not, like, for me, the free shipping when I get it with Sephora, it kind of like puts the icing on the cake for me to try a new product, especially if I'm not getting to see it in person and play with it first. So for me, the fact that they do carry it at least online, and returns are so simple with Sephora. They're so easy and they're so simple. There's no, anything. There's no stress, nothing. You just walk in, tell them that it didn't work out for you, give them the product with the receipt, poof, and it's done. It's so easy. And my local Sephora, the people are so nice and just easy to be around and go in, and it's comfortable. So for me, it's just fabulous. I really do enjoy it going in there. So yeah, I think that if you guys are looking for a new palette and willing to spend $45 on 20 shades, I would definitely recommend picking up one of their palettes. I'm going to try the other ones and see what I think of their colors and stuff. But I can just imagine how well they're going to blend. Just because these blended so beautifully. They didn't have, like, I literally, and honestly, I mean, there's some like product that comes back, kickback. I don't know. I always call it kickback. But I didn't have any fallout on my face when I did it, nothing. And I always do my eyes first when I do new products for eyeshadows just because of the fallout. Usually I get some, but this I had none. I don't know. That was me. I don't know if anybody else has had that problem and with different palettes or whatnot, but I do know with this one, I didn't have any. And if I did, it was so little I didn't even see it. So for me, this is a great palette. The blendability, the colors, the pigmentation, the price isn't too bad for 20 shades. I'm spending a little over $2 a shade, which is not bad at all. So yeah, I definitely recommend this. So if you guys have tried this, please let me know. If you guys do decide to try this and pick it up, also please let me know what you guys think. I love hearing from you guys and finding out what you guys think of products that I talk about, or even new products that you guys have tried that maybe I'd be interested in trying. So that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you're not subscribed, please do. And I've got nothing else to say, but I love you guys, and goodbye.